And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this vacuum sealer. Perfect for storing your foods. Nothing to really show you around the box. Let's open it up and take a look at it. So we have nice little, this is like a cutter basically. And then they even include a few vacuum sealed bags with the instructions here. So yeah, a few different size vacuum sealed bags. You got that one, you got these bigger ones. You got a nice little instruction set that will tell you how long the stuff is good for, as well as exactly how to use this. And then lastly down in here, that's it for the box, is the actual vacuum sealer. So it plugs in with a standard outlet, single seal, vacuum seal. Basically, look at that. Even gives you directions, wrong operation, correct operation. But basically, you'd put your stuff in the bag, and then you're able to set it down in here. You're able to close this, hit your button, and it'll seal the bag. Let's show you exactly how this works. Ooh. All right, so we're gonna take our chicken and slide it into our vacuum seal bag here, like so. Now that this is plugged in, we'll just open it up, take the open part of our bag and put in these little clamps right there. Then we just close it till it clicks. Both sides click. And then you can either single seal or vacuum seal. We're gonna vacuum seal. And so we'll hit our button and it should automatically suck the air out and seal it. There we go. 5, I'll let it count back down. So it should be sealed now. There's buttons on each side that you press to unlatch it. So we'll press those. Bada bing, look at that. We have a vacuum sealed piece of chicken now to save for later. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and demonstrate for you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.